Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick guide, I will show you how to change the language in the Kraken app. So let's get started. First, open the Kraken app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you reach your home page, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and find this option called Preferences and tap on it. Now under Settings, tap on Language. And you will see a list of available languages. Choose the one you prefer. Let me go with Australian for now. The app will refresh and your new language will be applied instantly. And that's it. You have successfully changed the language in the Kraken app. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.